Crafty Caboodle. Let's get crafty today.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to tie your shoes. Now this is by far the easiest method I have found. Even my 4-year-old can do this. So let's get started. I call these ears. So you're going to make one ear. You're going to put this through one hole. There's one ear. And then you're going to put this side through this hole. So you have 2 bunny ears. What you're going to do is you're going to cross and you're going to tuck this one in the hole right here and tighten. And you're going to repeat this. Cross the 2 ears and tuck the one in the hole. And there you have it. Let's try it one more time. So you're just going to make 2 bunny ears. You're going to put this one in this hole. And if you guys want to follow along, I'll go really slow. Here is one ear. I hope you have that one. Next, we're going to do the second ear. So put your shoelace through this hole. Now you have 2 ears. What you're going to do, you're going to pinch the ears and you're going to cross them to make an X. You're going to tuck the top one under and you're going to tighten the ears. You're going to do that one more time. Pinch the 2 smaller ears, cross them, tuck the top ear under and tighten. And let me tell you something, these laces do not come apart. Like if you try to take them apart, you can't. Even if you pull these, they do not come apart. You literally have to take the center laces and you have to loosen them to take them apart. I find this method so easy. How great. I hope you guys loved this tutorial. And until next time, bye.